to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am working with UNICE Hair again. They sent me over another wig. This might look very familiar with another wig that I just filmed. I'll leave it in the cards up here. But yes, this is a 24-inch kinky straight brownish red frontal, and instead this time I put it in a side part instead of a middle part. But yes, it's still giving. It looks beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. If you guys want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this hair review. All right, you guys, so let's get right into it. We're working with UNICE again. So in your little baggie, you will get some lashes, a makeup brush, and then a edge wrap right here. So here is the wig. The wig is looking very long. This is a 24-inch kinky straight 33B frontal. Yes, this is a frontal, baby. All right, so here is the wig. It's looking like so. The lace looks like this, pre-plucked. It looks really, really good. Let's see if you guys, oh, there's the true color. You guys can see the true color of the wig. Yes, it's giving like dark reddish brown. Here is the ends. They look really, really good. Number one, if this wig looks familiar at all, it's because I've done a video on this very same wig. Yes, I got two of the same wig, and so I'm going to install this one again for you guys. I love this. If you guys are following me on Instagram, my current profile picture is of me wearing the first wig I got like this. Yes, she is beautiful. She is straight. I'm probably going to make her straight again, or maybe put some bumps in it. Maybe I'll cut some layers in it. I'm not sure, but she is beautiful and I absolutely love this color. So inside you have 3 combs. It is a lace front, so you have a lot of parting space, elastic or adjustable band, and then extra lace at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. I'm probably not gonna pluck anything because I don't think I plucked the last one, to be honest. And it laid really, really well. And then I might do a side part with this one because I think the last one I did a middle part. So I'm gonna do a side part today, or maybe like some type of like, maybe like a, you know, like a little curve or something. I don't know, just to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, so I'll be right back and we'll put this baby on. She is feeling good though. She feels just as soft as the first one. She is thick and beautiful, and I just really, really love this color on my skin tone. Like I really, really love this color on my skin tone. So I'm excited about putting this baby on. All right, you guys, so I'm all done with the hair. This is how it turns out. I just made it straight again, but I did put a side part in. And as you can see, the lace looks really good. It laid very, very well. I just put a couple baby hairs in. I did put some foundation on the lace and a little bit of foundation on the parting and straightened it. It's 26 inches or 24 inches. So it comes all the way to, you know, like my mid waist. As you can see, it looks really, really good. Let me show you guys the back real quick. All right, so as you can see, the hair comes like to the top of my butt. Very, very long, very, very long. I love it though. It looks beautiful. It's very, very sleek. The hair looks very, very beautiful. I love this color. I hope this color is like picking up on camera. But yes, I love this. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this. Again, this is the same wig I reviewed just a few wigs ago. I just did a side part and it still looks just as good as the first one. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much, Eunice, for sending me this wig. It's always a pleasure working with you. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.